If you've been looking for ways to make money online, you've more than likely come across the term affiliate marketing. There's a reason for that. It's simply one of the best ways for beginners to earn their first dollars online. You don't have to stockpile any products. There's no need to set up complicated payment systems. You don't have to stress about intimidating legal stuff. All you need to do is to join one or more affiliate programs, get your affiliate links and find ways to promote them to the right people. Every time someone buys a product or service through one of your links, you get paid a commission. Pretty straightforward, right? Simply learn about the details of each step and you could get started with very little investment. There's just one problem though. The information is all over the place. To get good answers to all of these questions and many more, you'll have to search the web far and wide. And this is where most beginners run into a giant wall. They have to piece together what they find and try to make a coherent game plan out of it all. This can be time-consuming, tedious, and, worst of all, greatly inefficient. This is where Affilorama comes to the rescue. An online training portal that can take you from a beginner to intermediate affiliate, all in one place. Or so they claim. But do they deliver? Find out by watching our Affilorama review. To get access to Affilorama, you'll have to create an account. There's two types, free and premium. Even if you opt for premium, you'll still have to set up a basic free membership. With that in mind, let's first take a look at what the free version has to offer. Video lessons. This is the main part of the website and is where you'll be spending most of your time. The video library is absolutely gigantic, over 100 videos to watch. That may sound overwhelming to say the least. Thankfully though, all of them are organized in a clear manner, with an obvious path of progression. The lessons are divided into 8 different categories. The videos are typically around 10 to 20 minutes long, and mostly consist of presentations using slides and bullet points. We found videos to be informative yet concise, which is a good thing considering there's so many of them. Beneath each video, you'll also find an accompanying article, with a lesson summary at the bottom. After you've completed a lesson, you can click the Mark as Completed button at the top of the page, right next to the video. This is a nice little feature that lets you track your learning progress via a bar at the right side of the screen. If you're already somewhat experienced with affiliate marketing, you might still learn a thing or two before you're done. However, the course is clearly aimed at beginners to intermediates, who will find plenty of relevant, actionable information here. With that being said, we did find some shortcomings in the video library. As you probably know, the online world is evolving at a rapid pace. The top techniques from only 3 years ago might be less than great today. And indeed, while most of Affilorama's lessons are on point, there's a few areas that are clearly outdated. This issue is most prominent in the site building category. There you'll find several options for building a website that are, quite frankly, inefficient and tedious compared to the more streamlined site building tools we have today. Still, if you can overlook these issues, the basic free lessons can potentially take you from a beginner to an intermediate. In other words, there's enough solid info here to get you started actually earning money with affiliate marketing. Besides all of the training videos, a free Affilorama account gives you access to the members forum. The forum has 11 sub-forums, and each of the 8 training categories are represented there. The activity level is a bit on and off. With that being said, browsing the forums can be a great resource if you want to check on the ideas and progress of your fellow members. You also get the opportunity to try out a limited version of the Affilotools software. You can use it to research, manage and track keywords, find out when your pages are indexed by search engines, build and analyze backlinks, see the progress of your Facebook and Twitter, check the SEO health of your websites, and track your affiliate commissions over time. All of this and more is presented within a single dashboard. This is very convenient if you're planning on going all in with your online business. Another helpful feature of the affiliate tools is the ability to spy on your competitors. You can identify who's ranking for certain keywords, keep an eye on how they're doing, and even spy on the backlinks. No worries, it's all legal. With a basic free account, you can only track one project or site at a time. However, with the premium, you can add up to 5 different ones. In their own words, Affilorama Premium is for people who already have some knowledge of affiliate marketing and want to ramp things up. With a premium account, you get access to all the free features plus 19 advanced training videos, premium hosting for up to 15 domains, complete affiliate tools access with up to 5 projects tracked, a 4-part webinar series, affiliate blog bootcamp, 3 bonus webinars, 2 on advanced email marketing and 1 on keyword research. Let's just get this out of the way first. The premium hosting is simply not worth using. There's so many better options out there these days. Options that are more user-friendly and quicker to set up. Also, if you're using WordPress, managed specialized hosting is simply far superior. Now, with that being said, let's take a look at the other features of Affilorama Premium. The 19 video lessons you get access to are much more in-depth and longer than the ones you get for free. Some last for up to 1.5 hours. Out of all of them, the most valuable ones are probably the 7-part video series on how to create and sell your own digital product. There you'll learn everything from writing a high-converting sales letter to finding affiliates to promote your product. On top of the main lessons, you also get around 13 hours of webinars. They give you detailed info on how to build a profitable blog, how to do effective keyword research, and strategies for email marketing. Though it's not as bad as with the free material, some of the premium lessons also come off as a bit dated. Overall, however, the information is clearly presented and offers many golden nuggets from people who know what they're talking about. Golden nuggets that may save you precious time and money. Finally, the premium version gives you full access to the affiliate tools, which we've covered earlier. This is the #1 reason to keep your membership active after you've gone through all of the training. Is it worth it though? Well, are you prepared to get serious and want to track the progress of your websites and/or your competitors from a single convenient dashboard? If so, then yes, paying for access to the tool alone is still worth it. However, if that's not part of your strategy, you might want to cancel your membership after you're done with all of the content. When you create your free Affilorama account, you'll see a countdown on the top of the front page. This is tied to a limited time offer, a 30-day trial of the premium version. If you're interested, be sure to take action before the timer runs out. With the free and paid memberships combined, Affilorama has an impressively large collection of in-depth training material on affiliate marketing. The sheer scope and completeness of it all is rare to come across. Although most of the info is still relevant and valuable, there's clearly some outdated lessons here and there. As we went through the material, we couldn't quite shake the feeling that Affilorama may be a few years past its prime. Still, if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, or want to boost your skills to an intermediate level, it's definitely a resource you don't want to miss out on, especially considering the basic membership is completely free.